Did you know that boxing isn't just about throwing punches, but about transforming your heart's resilience with every jab? Meet Sarah, a marketing manager drowning in deadlines and family responsibilities. She discovered that just 30 minutes of morning boxing could reshape her entire day. As she learned to throw precise jabs and crosses, her muscles stretched and lengthened, improving flexibility throughout her entire body. Each footwork drill activated her aerobic pathways, strengthening her cardiovascular system from within. The controlled exertion during the combinations boosted her heart rate variability, making her body more adaptable to daily stress. Within weeks, Sarah noticed she handled pressure differently, calmer, more focused, energized. The rhythm of punching bags became her meditation, the sweat her therapy, and the increased flexibility her reward. Her heart grew stronger with every session, pumping blood more efficiently than her morning coffee ever could. What would 30 minutes of controlled power do for your stressed heart?